Wow, it looks amazing. It really does. Look at it. Oops. So let's see. It feels like silk. I think the Davines product has been really good for your hair.
Yeah, so true.
You know, feels good, but I feel like Davines, your hair really benefits from those products. Davines oil line, guys, amazing. Got the milk, spray that one. And we got everything in the house. This is the Davines and Fido Salon. This beautiful hair, I've been working on this beautiful hair many years now. I stopped counting.
I think Cindy was 10, so that would be 17 years.
What? You kidding me? That's cool. And the Riley was really young.
Yeah, Riley was 5.
I was trying to guess how old Riley was. Because every time I do her hair, I'm thinking, maybe she was, I don't know, yeah. Wow.
Cindy was 10.
Yep. So we've been working on this beautiful lady's hair. Her daughter's 17 years, baby. So what I'm doing is removing some of the weight without removing the length. And I push my scissor out. That does not create any split ends and creates a lot of nice mobility movement. Hair kind of goes really nice. So I don't really go section to section because I already know what I'm doing, because I already pre-softened this hair, took some of the weight before I started doing the color. Now it's really fine-tuning, finalizing the haircut. Perfect haircut needs a perfect color needs a perfect haircut. So somebody can do cutting, but they won't be as good as the coloring. But then someone can do coloring, they're not as good with the cutting. Anyways, vice versa, vice. So I mastered this business. I did actually a really tight, high-end tight haircut on a girl's hair at the hair show.
I saw that.
That was amazing. First time I've ever like razored the neck and all. She was like, yeah, this is my first time, I love it. It was a hairdresser herself, new hairdresser. She said she cut it, but she wanted me to perfect it.
That must be difficult to maintain.
That kind of haircut?
Yeah. Well, because it grow out so fast.
That's true. Chin up for me a little bit. Yeah, thank you.
That's okay. My fault.
No worries. My fault too. Get all into the haircut and not thinking anything else. You guys, I'm hiring, so anybody wants to learn. Joseph Stylus is watching. Joseph, my man. I met this guy, Joseph. He's a sweetheart. His character was telling me he was working with Tom Cruise's hairdresser. That was a very unique guy. He's from Miami Beach. Telling me stories. You know, hairdressers knows the secrets of many things. You know. At Mario's Hair Designers, if you don't look good, we don't look good. We put our hearts, hands, all physical, mental efforts into doing what we do. And I know you don't like straightening iron, buddy, but I gotta check the haircut. He was telling me he doesn't like straightening iron. For a bob haircut, you got to tone it down because frankly, customer wants it. So they pay, they're the boss. I have to do whatever. But back in the days when I was with Al Sassoon, 1994, there's no way they let you use the straightening iron. You gotta perfect the blow dry with the brush and blow dry. That's why I'm good at blow drying hair. Because you would blow dry hair sometimes hour and a half. Oh yeah. It has to be perfect.
That could be good for your hair though.
No, I mean that was just the way it was. Quite honest with you, that's when you get a perfect, really, really silky smooth hair. But you know, a lot of time, you know, you take the blow dryer and the brush. Many hairdressers, when they're blow drying the hair, they put the blow dryer right on the brush. Never do that. You follow the brush, but keep a distance. That's when you achieve a really good blow dry, following the brush. Going over and over creates a gorgeous, really smooth, silky look. But consumers, customers at home, I don't have that kind of time. They reach out the blow straightening iron, they get it done. Out the door. In the old days, everybody spent so much time. Do me a favor, I want you to stand up, please, so I can look at the haircut. So no matter how good your haircut is, always double, triple, quadruple check, because there are a lot of hidden mistakes, unless you're a perfectionist. I am perfectionist, so I believe in triple, quadruple checking. Let me see. Okay. Good job, Mario. Good job, Mario.
Great job, Mario.
Okay, I appreciate that. So, ladies and gentlemen, it speaks to itself, my work. You know, talk is cheap. You can say all you want, but, you know, when you do an excellent job, and I will argue with many of you out there. She looks better than Jennifer Aniston. 17 years of great memories and friendships and like family, you know, that's what we do in the Maria's Hair Designs. We make a lot of beautiful memories, and it speaks to itself. Yeah, I did about 4 different tones of color on the hair, and then I did the glaze. I broke the base, so we have a perfectly achieved hair color here. So the customer happy, I'm happy, we're happy. La peace and hair, come see us. We make you look like a superstar, like this gorgeous lady. Shake your hair for me, sweetheart. Look at that. If you don't look good, we don't look good. Ciao.